Aries in Motion is really Aries employee-led volunteer effort to make impact in the local communities. I think of it two ways. It promotes collaboration across team members here at Aries. At the same time, it provides a big impact to the local communities in which we operate.
One of the NGOs that we work very closely with is NavGurukul. NavGurukul's mission is to educate and give career opportunities to underprivileged youth. We are currently having an employee engagement event where we are packing educational kits for the girls pursuing technology at NavGurukul. We've done a volunteer activity where we've taken 20 of our employees and traveled to their campus in Pune, which is about 200 kilometers away from here. When we met the girls at the NavGurukul campus, there were about 150 girls. We talked to them about basic communication skills. We've introduced them to how a corporate world feels and looks. We then opened the forum to ask questions. So any question they had about what we do professionally or what they would like to do and how they could choose that path is what the aim of the whole event was. We were there for an entire day and it was such a productive, impactful event.
Aries in Motion is our way of giving back to society.
Aries is not just a company, it's a family of people who have come together. They are trying to make impact in life of others.
Some of us have been in those places and it really connects us to do good things, and I love to be a part of it.
In India, we have this saying, we call this Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means world is one family. It's about bringing together everyone in one family.
For me personally, it is really a team event. The team really collaborates together, and at the end of the day, we as a team are proud of what we've achieved. And the impact that we've had at the community helps us be proud that we are at Aries.